ride forever. The engines bikers swear will never fail. 1. Honda Africa Twin. 1100, its most recent parallel twin engine, the Honda Africa Twin 1100, is hailed for its unparalleled durability on lengthy overland trips. 2. Yamaha Tenere 700. The CP2 engine powers the lightweight, contemporary Yamaha Tenere 700, which is garnering a cult following due to its dependability. 3. Kawasaki Versys 650 2025. The Kawasaki Versys 650 2025 is still a popular commuting vehicle with modern electronics and the same reliable twin engine. 4. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. The new Sherpa 450 engine is oil-cooled, basic, and designed to withstand harsh environments. 5. The BMW R1300 GS 2025 is a sleek, technologically advanced boxer designed for long-distance travelers with renowned longevity. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.